What's up, everyone? This is Bill with BLR Tuning. You guys are all having a great day. Today's watch is the Invictus Sub Aqua. This is a very limited edition watch. It is also a shutter. This is the 62 millimeter version. So this one is very limited edition. It's a numbered watch, so you can focus in. The buttons are dragon heads. Very detailed. You can see the teeth on them. It's a shutter. That means that that whole entire dial opens up to expose the actual dials, showing all the different numbers and whatnot. So really cool watch. It's got some diamonds in it. Anyways, today's video, we're just going to give you a little update on our shop bike monster. This is our 22 Kawasaki Z900. Makes a ton of horsepower. It is flash tuned by us. It does have Dynojet's power commander on it with the ignition module. We do carry that power commander on our website, the PC6. It does have quick shift. It's got launch control. The bike is very nasty. We just recently got a set of Road 6 tires for it, so we'll be having those up on there. And then we're doing all these right now while we have the bike on stands. We're doing these right here. These are just replacing all of the screws that hold in the bolts that hold in the plastic. So this is what they look like. They strip really easy. They kind of end up with a little bit of rust down inside the head there. And they're just not super high quality. And then some of them have a white little Teflon or nylon washer, and some of them have a black one. So we're replacing all of those with stainless steel hardware. That's 3 millimeter. It'll all be the same size, because some of these you run into will be 5 or 4 millimeter. So these will all be 3 millimeter, way heavier duty screws or bolts, and we're putting these little dress up blue washers that the bolt head kind of sits down in. You can see how it looks there. They look really sharp once they're put on the bike. So I'll show you what that looks like, and we'll show you what the bike looks like, kind of give you guys an update as to what's going on with the shop bike. You may have seen it in the background in another video. Okay, so here's the bike with our new dress-up bolt kit that we carry on our website now. You can see the stainless steel bolts with the blue little washer there. So our kit includes 17 bolts and 17 washers. It fits the 2020 Z900 and up. And it replaces the 4 in the windscreen here, the 2 up here above your key, the 2 on each side here, and then the 2 that are down here on each side on this smaller plastic. You got the 2 that are right here under the seat. You can kind of see those when you look to the edge here, so we wanted to include those. And then on the other side, on the left side, you have this one upper little dust cover right here, some electronics back here. So this bolt right here that holds this plastic on it just snaps in place down there. So that bolt right there. So it's a 17 bolt and washer kit. I'll put a link in the description below. You guys can go grab this if you want. They're available right now in red and black. And we're trying to see if the manufacturer can get us some other colors as well. I'd like to carry green and orange if I can find them, or at least green. But right now, red, black, and blue is what we have. They're an anodized aluminum washer and a stainless steel bolt with a 3 millimeter head. It makes them so they are all the same size. So a really cool little kit. Okay, same thing up here in the front on this side. So you get 17 in the kit. Then, as well as that kit that we have for the dress-up bolts, we do have the steering stabilizer kit on our website as well, along with the PC6, and then our block-off plate for the rear pegs. You can grab one for the left. They're the same, so you can grab one for the left, and if you have a different mounting option for your exhaust, you can do one on the right as well. Then the ECU on this bike is underneath the gas tank. We do offer ECU flash tuning for this bike as well, so you can always send your ECU into us and we can do the flash tune on it. Or you can always go that power commander route. So there's a link below for all those parts from us. So check the description below this video. Okay, so sitting out in the shop here, it's got jack stands under the frame. The front forks are on the concrete. Not the ideal situation. Not what I would have preferred to do, but that it is what it is. So we have the lift for it right here to get that front end back up in the air. What we are doing is switching out. So a bunch of stuff is going over to powder coat, and then we'll show you what the wheels look like here. We'll be sending the rest of the parts off to our friends over at TREAL Performance. They will be powder coating the rest for us in this Playboy blue. Okay, so off to powder coat will go the handlebars, the little end pieces for that attach the mirrors, these back upper motor mounts. It's just a little plate. Let's see. The arm that comes right here for the suspension. This is a little triangle arm that goes there. The rear sets. Got those apart. The beauty rings that go on the bolts for the exhaust. The sprocket. So same as the other side. Same thing. So it's just some little stuff. That'll be the Playboy blue, and then that will match the paint on the wheels. So anyway, I just wanted to shoot you guys a little update and let you guys see what's going on. We'll show a video when we come back and we start putting the bike back together, and then we'll do another little update video. But I just wanted to get this video out to you guys. I know a lot of people ask, what's going on with the bikes, and make sure that you stay up to date with them. So this shop bike is going to be an absolute monster. We do have plans for some carbon fiber down the road. We'll probably go through Moto Composite. They look like they have the best options for us for this bike. The only downside to ordering carbon fiber is that you're kind of limited to different companies depending on who carries what. So we want to go with forged carbon fiber, or the carbon fiber that is gloss with the blue TREAL in it. And we're going to be getting rid of all of the blue parts. So we're going to keep this black with the metal flake from the factory. This is a brand new bike. This stuff still looks nice. So we'll have that type of black. We'll have some matte black, and then probably some gloss carbon fiber pieces. So there's lots of little stuff you can order for this bike. As you guys may know, already seen in the video, the tail that's on this, that factory seat was a little bit messed up, so we wanted to just get rid of it. And since we did a peg delete anyway with our actual block off plates that you can see here that say BLR Tuning, we have a bunch of different styles of those available on our website that they just get, use the factory bolts and make it look kind of nice, like something's supposed to be there. But really, you're just getting rid of those pegs, and you don't have holes or shoulder bolts sticking out of here. You're using our block-off little passenger delete plate. And you can buy one for each side, and they look really sharp. I'll put a link to those down below in the description if you just want to check those out. They fit all of the Z900 models. But anyway, what I was saying is we're going to be replacing this with real carbon. This is just a cheap one off Amazon. We needed something quick. So it's just kind of hard plastic. I think it's just hydro dipped. That's what it looked like on the inside. You kind of see where the cover ended on the hydro dip, the paint or whatever the pattern they use. So replacing that with some carbon fiber. Haven't decided whether we're going with the forged or the blue TREAL. The blue TREAL, like where you see the gray lines in here, would be a blue in color. So we'll see what we do, and then we'll keep you guys posted with an update once we get this thing back together and on the road. As you guys know, this bike is an absolute ripper. It is all unlocked, making some serious power, and this thing is a crazy, crazy torque machine out on the streets. So it's a handful of a bike to deal with, hence the nickname Monster. Here is our Playboy Blue prismatic powders. We're going to get all these parts powder coated, and they will be back on the Z900 here soon. It's gonna look amazing. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, taking the time to check out my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all your support. If you guys want to see what parts we have available, go check us out, BLRTUNING.TECH. There'll be a link in the description below. We have an entire section just for the Z900. We do offer ECU flash tuning, and we are a DynoJet distributor, so we can also get you a DynoJet tuning device sent out to you and build you a custom tune. If you already own a tuning device, we can build a custom tune and get it sent out to you via email, or you can bring your bike into us in person. If you go to our website, scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll see all of our contact information. You'll find an email address and a phone number. You can call me. You can reach out to me through email. Okay, so this is our shop bike monster. We'll have a second video. This is kind of to be continued. We'll have a second video of getting it all back together, all buttoned up, show what everything looks like coming back from powder coat. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.